behind you, right there. Yeah. Mom, why don't you get Mom? Why don't you get over here?
Big behind and back. You're the tallest of all of us.
Or kneel. Or yeah, squat. Yeah, there you go.
They can't see the camera, they can't see you. You're like falling on a truck.
Just start taking, I guess.
I'm
just gonna keep taking.
Push it down, Trevor, and leave it. Is it on? Cindy, did you turn it on?
Yes, I
Don't
did.
go anywhere.
Well,
Turn it on.
if it's doing the E thing, is it showing E? Huh?
Hit it just so I couldn't see it because I was out either.
Hey, Grayson, show me.
Hey, you can come film it.
Show me.
His tooth is coming out.
Oh, wow.
Let's see. It's not gonna hurt.
No, show me. Show me the blood.
Oh,
Oh, that is awesome.
Ready? 1, 2. Oh, I don't think it's ready to come out, buddy. Hold on. I don't want to keep. Did it hurt when I pulled? It didn't? Okay, hold on.
Just let Spencer punch you.
Ready? Is it hurting?
Yes.
It does hurt. It's not ready to come out yet. I'm sorry.
You just have to drink milkshakes tonight instead.
I can keep trying.
I'll get it down here. Make pliers. Trying to pull tooth?
These teeth have been loose for months. You want me to try him?
You ain't never put it on a doorknob? You never heard
We
that
told him
thing
we wanted to tie it to one of his RC cars and...
Ask your Uncle Kevin about tying a string to that tooth and putting it on a door and slamming the door real
Okay,
quick.
let's try one more time. I'm going to try again. Okay. 1.
Don't push it.
I want twist. 2. Maybe it's not ready to come out. Sorry, buddy. Those teeth are just not...
It'll come out when it's ready.
Babe, I don't know.
It's just like a baby calf coming out of a cow. It does win.
Let's see. Look up for me a little bit. Ready? 1, 2.
He's brave. Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh my goodness. Don't pull on the camera.
You know what? Nathan was still because I don't need this. He's going to be 11. And he was, we thought they was going to get it.
Right now, I'm going to get for it.
He's doing very well.